Hey everyone, this is Troy from TroyPoint.com, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you an updated feature that IPVanish VPN recently pushed out to their Android TV and Fire TV applications. You will now see that you no longer need to activate Kill Switch within their standalone app. Yes, you still need to have the standalone Kill Switch app installed, but you can now toggle it on and off through the IPVanish app itself within the settings section. Now you can install both the IPVanish VPN app and IPVanish Kill Switch app directly through either Google Play Store or Amazon App Store. You also have both available within the TroyPoint toolbox. I will leave a link to my setup guide in the pinned comment and description below. I will also provide a link to our VPN rankings, and you will see that there are only 3 providers on the list because those are the only 3 that we know of that have a working kill switch on Fire TV and Android TV devices. Sure, kill switch works on other devices, but for some reason, these VPN companies have a heck of a time making it work on Android TV and Fire TV systems. Even though you have a kill switch toggle through your VPN provider on a Fire TV or Android TV device, that doesn't necessarily mean it works. It's just carried over from their Android phone and tablet application. What good is a VPN without a kill switch that will terminate your internet connection if for some reason your VPN goes down? Guys, thanks for following TroyPoint. Everything is linked in the pinned comment below and the video description. Have an awesome day.